wondering if the Dash Wonder Workshop is a good gift for your kid? Today I'm going to be unboxing one of these that I got from Apple. Long story. So stay tuned and let's take a look at the Dash Wonder Workshop. What do you think this is?
A game.
What kind of game?
A robot. Let's play it.
Welcome to this video. My name is Barbara Fernandez and let's start unboxing the Dash. It comes wrapped in a plastic wrapping. It was actually in a bigger box that Apple sent me with this. So you can buy the Dash, you can find it on Amazon. There's a link over here down on the video section. And I also got it from Apple actually. Very long story that I'll have to make another video explaining how I got this for free from Apple. But now, let's get unboxing. What I see is I have to go downstairs and get something sharp to open this plastic wrapping. Alright, I finally have something that I'm not sure if it's sharp enough, but it's a key. But before I actually open it, I want to show you guys that the box, you can see it's actually pretty big. And this is what the Dash will look like. I actually don't know much about the Dash. Apple offered me something for free from their catalog of items. And since I already own a lot of the Apple products, I thought of getting a gift for my kid. My son is actually 4 years old, and this is rated age 6 and up. My child is quite advanced. Every parent says that. But I'm hoping that this will be something that will really help him explore beyond his age level. So it says here that it's from ages 6 and 8, 8 plus. There's an advanced format that you can do. It's an intelligent robot. I imagine that there will be a component from the phone that I'm going to have to download to start exploring this robot. Let me see now if I can get opening this plastic wrap without destroying it. And we are going to slide it up. Let's see what's in this box. So first we have Dash. It's actually heavier than I expected. It has some wheels in it. Actually 2 big wheels and a tiny wheel at the front that looks like it rotates, and it has this head with this eye here that rotates as well. All right, let's leave the Dash here. This is the other box. I'm going to put it to the side, and let's see what else is in here. There is the manual. There is a few other pieces. These 2 pieces here that, of course, I have to discover what it's for. And a cable that I imagine is the charger. All right, an orange charger. It matches Dash. So now, I am not sure if I have to charge it up before I connect. Let me try turning on, pushing the button and see what happens. Hi, Dash. Well, that's cute. Well, he is turning around and he's looking at my face now. This is actually really cool. This is really cool. So he faced around and now he's facing me. I imagine it's trying to connect to something. Let me see if the box, if it has some startup. No direct instructions here. So it appears that I'm probably going to have to look at the manual that we have here for me to see where we go next.
I see. Hey.
So he said, I see, hey, that's really cool. And he is just really looking around. There are times where his eye really blinks a little bit.
Hey.
So now, and he keeps turning around, I guess, to see my face. And it's very interesting because you saw I put him the other way and he actually turned around. And the eye of Dash is actually looking at me. Sometimes I feel like he's following my hand, but I'm not sure if I'm just inventing things. So the cool thing is every time I get up and sit back down, Dash looks around and I guess it's looking for my face. Now I got my phone and I first typed the word Dash to try to look for downloading the app to run Dash. But what I see is it says here there's an app called Wonder. So let's look for it. Wonder. And there we go. Wonder for Dash. So this is the app that you're going to want to download there. And it's going to install. It's going to be the first app that actually... and there's another one called Blocky for Dash and Dot Robot. And what I've seen is there is a smaller version of Dash that is called the Dot. All right. Very close to done loading here on my phone. Dash is here just shaking his head, wondering what's up, if we're ready to get started. I think the Wonder will be, it's going to be the first one we use. You see on the box it shows a few other accessories that you can put. Actually, I was at Target last week and I saw, I already had the Dash, but I hadn't opened it. I saw the accessories sold at Target. All right, the Wonder app just got downloaded here and it's loading, ready to go. Allow notifications. Let's press play. It says, hello, my name is Eli. Let's connect to your robot. Now it's searching for a robot. There it is. It found Dash. It's connecting. All right, it says big things are coming your way. Plug me in. This may take up to 15 minutes. So I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to get back with you guys shortly. So now I have completed the update, the initial update to Dash. And on the app, now it allows me to personalize Dash. This is the app. This is what the app looks like in the beginning to personalize. And if you see, I know with lighting it's not an easy thing, but if you see here, there's this light, here's yellow. I can switch it to green and blue. I'm gonna leave it blue and I'm gonna rename him. Actually, let's leave it Dash because I actually like that name, but you could rename him anything you want. You can actually also adjust the style of the eye. And you adjust the eye here on Dash. And now we are officially connected. Tap on to scroll quest. Alright, welcome to Wonder League. We play with robots to make them smarter. Make Dash say hi automatically, so you drag. And then we press play. And so what it does is there's various commands. As you program these commands, Dasher will do it. So I programmed him to say hi. And, oh, Dash just fell off, almost fell off. So I imagine he does a congratulations dance. I'm gonna go back and start over that same challenge for making him. So let's see if we can get him to do this without falling off the cliff. Let's put him in the center here. And let's listen to him. almost fell off again. So, as the kid is playing, I imagine my suggestion is keep it on the floor. I hope you enjoyed this video of us unboxing and getting Dash set up with the app Wonder, which is the initial app we have for Dash. Throughout the weeks, I'm going to be exploring Dash with my son. I'm going to finally let him play with it. And then I'll come back with another video showing my thoughts. And maybe I'll get Victor to come in and share his thoughts too. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you guys next time. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.